Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment number 7 from 10th class. The topic is pair of linear equations in two variables. Let's go for the question. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800. Later he buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So this is relevant to the pair of application of pair of linear equations in two variables. So let's go how to solve this question by using pair of linear equations. So what is given in this? So before going to solve this, first we have to consider that is cost of bat is equal to x Next, the cost of ball, each ball is equal to y. So here it is two variables, that is one is x as well as y. Now we need to write this first statement into the form of standard form of a linear equation in two variable. That is, so first by reading the first statement, 7 bats and 6 balls together how much cost? 3800. That is nothing but what? Let me write it as 7x, where bats is nothing but what? X, plus 6 balls, that is 6y is equal to 3800. Next, let's go for the second statement. 3 bats, that is 3x plus 5 balls, 5y is equal to how much? That is 1750 rupees. Now we have to solve these two equations to find the value of x as well as y. So let me take this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now you have to eliminate any one of the variable by using any one method. So let's go for the elimination method. So multiply first equation with 3. So that what is LCM of 7 and 3? That is 21. So multiply 3 with equation 1. It will become, that is 21x plus 18y is equal to, what about that? 38 into 3, 24. That is, yes, 11,400. So that is the third equation. Let me take this is the third equation. Next, multiply second equation with a 7. That is 7 into equation with 2. That is equal to how much it is? 7 3s are 21x plus, next 7 5s are 35y is equal to 7 into 1750. 7, that is 35, next 49, 52, next 7, 12, that is 12,250. Let me take this is equation number 4. Now you have to eliminate any one of the variable by subtracting equation number 3 and 4. Subtract equation number 4 from 3. So this can be taken as 21x plus 18y is equal to 11,400. Next, 21x plus 35y is equal to 12,250. Just subtract this one. Yes, here 21x will get cancelled. What about this one? 2, 17 minus 17y is equal to how many times? Here it is 6 and 250, that is minus 850. So that here minus will get cancelled. So y will become how many times? That is 850 upon 17, exactly will get cancelled with a 50. That is equal to y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 50. What is the y? Y is nothing but what? Cost of each ball is equal to 50 rupees. So need to find x value by substituting y is equal to 50 in any one of the equation. So substitute y is equal to 50 in equation 1. So 7x plus 6 into 50 is equal to how much? 3,800. That is 7x is equal to 300. 7x plus 300 is equal to 3,800. Next, 7x is equal to, so 3,800 minus 300 will become 3,500. So how many times? 7 ones are 7, 5 times. So that x is equal to how much? X is equal to 500. So what is x? X is nothing but what? The cost of each bat. The cost of each bat is 500 rupees and cost of each ball is 50 rupees. So likewise we can find based on the application of pair of linear equations in two variable. Let's go for the next question. Yes, one says give me 100 rupees, 100 friend, I shall then become twice as rich as you. The next statement, what is the reply is given? The other replies, if you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Tell me what is the amount of their respective capitals. Okay. So, for this discussion we have to represent in the equation form. This is also a word type of problem. This can be solved by application of pair of linear equation in two variables. The first statement, for example, there is two friends. The first friend, name of the first friend, let me take it as X. The next one is Y. There is two friends. Okay. Now, first statement, give me 100 rupees friend. Give me 100 rupees friend means 100 rupees given from Y to X. Y to X means, so there is a less 100 from Y and addition 100 to X. 100 to X. Okay. Now, I shall then become twice. Twice means 2. That is equal to how much? 2 times. 2 times. Just listen. Nothing is, I am representing each and every word into the equation form. So, X plus 100 is equal to 2 into Y minus 100. Just write in standard form of pair of linear equation. X plus 100 is equal to 2Y minus 200. 200, it can be written as X minus 2Y is equal to minus 300. Let me take this is the first equation. Minus 300 is first equation. Next, let's go for the next statement. What is the reply? The other replies, if you give me 10 rupees, next one, that is equal to X comma Y again, X comma Y. So, this is the discussion, what is the reply in the second statement? If you give me 10 rupees from X to Y, X to Y means what? There is a subtraction 10 from X, 10 from X and addition 10 to Y. Addition 10 to Y. Yes, that is Y plus 10 is equal to X minus 10. X minus 10. So, for this transaction, what is the reply? I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Means 6 times as rich as you. Means we need to multiply with a 6. That is equal to Y plus 10 is equal to how much? 6x minus 60. Just write in standard form. That is equal to 6x minus Y minus 70 is equal to 0. That is 6x minus Y is equal to 70. Let me take this is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now, these two are the two linear equations in two variables. Now, solve the value of x as well as y. So, here it is 6x and multiply 6 with equation 1. Multiply 6 with equation 1. So, this can be written as 6x minus 12y is equal to minus 1800. Minus 1800. So, this is equation number 3. Equation number 3. Solve the equation number 3 as well as 2, find the value of x. That is from equation 3 comma equation 2, subtract these two equations, that is 6x minus y is equal to 70 is equal to 70. Next 6x minus 12y is equal to minus 1800. Minus 1800. Let's subtract these two, will become plus and plus. So, here 6x and 6x will get cancelled. So, what about this one? Here it is 11y is equal to how much it is? 1870. 1870. Now, what is the value of y? Y is equal to 1807 upon 11. So, here it is 7 ones are how many times 7? 70. So, that what is the value of y? Y is equal to 170. Y is equal to 170. Substitute this y is equal to 170 in any one of the equation of 192. So, let us substitute y is equal to 170 in equation 1. In equation 1, that is equal to what? X minus 2 into 170 is equal to minus 300. Minus 300. So, x minus how much it is? So, it is 340 is equal to minus 300. So, that x is equal to how much? 340 minus 300. So, what is the value of x? X is equal to 40. X is equal to how much? 40. So, that the first friend with how many rupees? 40 rupees. What is the second amount with the second friend? That is 170 rupees. So, likewise we can solve. Let us go for the next question. So, in a triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 3 times of angle B is equal to 2 times of angle A plus B. Find the angles A as well as B and C. So from triangle ABC, let me take A comma B and C, ABC. So sum of, let me take, before going to solve this one, let us consider, so angle A is equal to X and angle B is equal to how much? Y. Angle B is equal to Y. So substitute in the given statement, that is angle C is equal to, what about this one, 3 into angle B. Angle B is how much? Y. So 3Y. Angle C is equal to 3Y. Next, substitute X and Y in the next relation. So this is the first relation, this is the next relation. That is angle C is equal to 2 times of angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B. So that angle C is equal to 2 into angle A is equal to how much? X plus Y. X plus Y. So from these two, so this is equation number 1 and 2. So just equate these two. So both RHS parts are equal. Let's equate their LHS. So that 3y is equal to 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y. Now if you send 2y will become y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x. Now we have obtained the relation between y as well as x. So that y is equal to how much? 2x. So from this, by using this relation, we can find the angles of A, B, C. So that is, so y is equal to 2x. So here angle C is equal to how much is given? 3 times of angle B. So that angle C is equal to how much? 3 into B is equal to y, that is 3y. So what we have get? Y is equal to 2x. In the place of y, just replace with 2x. That is equal to 3 into 2x. Now what is the value of angle C? That is 6x. Angle C is equal to 6x. Now what is our intention? You need to find each and every angle in terms of a single variable. So angle C is equal to 6x. Angle A is equal to what? X. Now what angle B is equal to how much? 2x. Angle B is equal to how much? 2x. 2x. Now from the angle sum property of a triangle, angle A plus angle B plus C is equal to how much? 180. So just to replace all the ABC values in this formula, just write like this. That is angle A is equal to what? X plus B is equal to 2x plus 6x is equal to how much? 180 degrees. So what about addition of this one? 9x. 9x is equal to what? 180 degrees. So here it is 1 times 2 times 20. So that x is equal to how much? 20 degrees. X is equal to 20 degrees. Now what about angle A? Angle A is equal to x. That x is nothing but what? 20 degrees. What about angle B? Angle B is equal to how much? 2x. 2x. 2 into 20 will become 40 degrees. Next, what about angle C? Angle C is equal to 6x. So x is what? 20. 6x means what? 6 into 20, 120 degrees. 120 degrees. So likewise we can find each and every angle of a triangle. These are the 3 questions for the day. Thank you children.